Hey there, Excel masters. Welcome back to Excel Simplified, where we unlock powerful shortcuts to make your life easier. Today, I've got a cool one for you, Ctrl plus number 6. This little known shortcut is a game changer for managing your Excel workspace. So what does Ctrl plus 6 do? It toggles the visibility of objects in your worksheet. This includes charts, shapes, images, and even icons. Let's see it in action. Like a report filled with charts and visuals. If you want to focus on just the raw data, simply press Ctrl plus 6 and boom, everything disappears. Your worksheet is now clean and distraction-free. Want the visuals back? Press Ctrl plus 6 again, and everything reappears, exactly as it was. Simple, right? This is perfect for analyzing data without distractions, or when you need to quickly check how your sheet looks without the extras. Give it a try and see how much easier it makes navigating your spreadsheets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite Excel shortcut. Until next time, keep excelling.